It's now time for the home financing update, courtesy of First Republic Mortgage Bankers.
All right. As you were saying, you are correct regarding the 5.5, and I think we are probably the only bank that's holding 5.5 right now, which is an annual percentage rate of 6.30 and a cost per thousand of $5.68. And Squeeze, for everyone that calls, I want to take them through the step of refinancing. Those people that have high interest credit cards. For example, you were saying, that this is the time where all the bills are coming in, and, we want to get rid of those bills. So by calling, I can tell you exactly what we need to do in order to get rid of those bills and end up with only one low monthly payment. But we also don't want to forget about the 15-year 5% interest rate. Okay, so I just want to remind all of those that are listening out there that if you want to lower the years that you currently have in your mortgage, you can always do the 15-year, which is at 5% right now, which is an annual percentage rate of 5.99 with a cost per thousand of $7.91, if I'm reading it correctly.
Absolutely.
Okay, so, we don't want to forget that. So all of you who are listening right now, just pick up the phone. That is the easiest thing to do right now, is to pick up that phone and dial the number.
Hold on, Sandy.
Yes.
Hold on. Before you go, though, you got to remind people of that now is still an excellent time to purchase homes, especially with the FHA program. Also, I know you have a product in place, which is called a two-step program, which can help a lot of individuals to get into this marketplace, considering what's going on with gas prices and so forth. Why don't you tell them a little bit about that two-step program, and then I'll give out the number for folks to call you to refinance with First Republic Mortgage Bankers, and also, of course, to purchase homes and get a very low rate, especially with the two-step program. Tell them a little bit about that.
That's right. There are a lot of affordable homes out there, and you can start off with a 4.5% interest rate. And you can't get any lower than that. 4.5. Okay, this is
is it an adjustable rate program, or is it not?
Well, yes. Okay, but it's only for the first 3 years, and they're still very low rates. You start with a 4.5 first year. Okay, and it kind of gets you, just in there, so that from the first year you're not like bombarded. Okay.
So you start off with a 4.5, and then the second year what?
Second year you're going to 5.5, which is still a low rate, and the third year, from the third year all the way to your 30th year, you jump up to 6.5, and you go no further than that.
And you can choose to refinance anytime you're ready, even after that, right?
Absolutely. There is no penalty.
Restrictions.
Right. Okay. No,
all right.
There's no
once again, folks,
penalties on that.
Absolutely. Her name is Sandy. She's physically at the radio studios right now. You can speak with her even if you have had some credit problems or challenges in refinancing with other institutions. First Republic Mortgage Bankers believe that they can do better, and they can give you a better shot at refinancing and purchasing homes. Here's the number right now to speak exclusively one-on-one with Sandy, off the air, privately and confidentially. This is Link Up Radio, and of course the bank that we profess is First Republic Mortgage Bankers and none other when it comes to real estate financing. Speak with Sandy right now. She's in the building. The number is 718-325-5555. That is 718-325-5555. Let us go to the phone lines and speak with you off the air. Sandy wants to refinance your property at 5.5%, 30 years fixed. Get rid of all of your credit card bills, all of your school loans, every single bill that you have in your life. You own your home. You can tap into the equity. She can show you how you can lower your monthly payments, maybe even your mortgage. So make that call right now. 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Call her right now. She's grabbing the phone lines. Thank you, Sandy. See you running to the phone lines. We'll catch up with you later.
Okay.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina. Headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.